Children, today let us learn about test cross. What is a test cross? Test cross is the cross between F1 generation with the recessive parent, or it is a cross between unknown genotype with the recessive parent. So here, what do you mean by unknown genotype? For example, I am having a tall plant. So phenotype is tall. What is phenotype? External appearance. But I am not knowing whether this tall plant is a homozygous tall or it is a heterozygous tall. That is what is the unknown genotype. Phenotype I know, externally the plant is tall, but I am not knowing whether it is a homozygous tall or heterozygous tall. For this purpose, to find out whether the tall plant is homozygous tall or heterozygous tall, I am doing which cross? Test cross. So here we have to cross this with the recessive parent. Recessive parent means which parent? Dwarf plant. So first let us take, I am considering the plant is homozygous tall. I am not knowing, but I considered the plant is homozygous tall. And I am crossing it with the recessive one, that is dwarf one. So during gamete formation, homozygous condition, so here it is of capital T. Here also homozygous, only one gamete, small t. After gametic fusion, in the next generation, I am getting capital T, small t. So all plants are tall. All plants are of tall. So after a test cross, if all the plants are of same type, then the unknown genotype is homozygous. Clear? After a test cross, if all the plants are tall or all the plants are of same, then the unknown genotype is homozygous. Now next I am taking the unknown genotype as heterozygous. Then I am crossing it with which one? Recessive parent. So here heterozygous condition. So how many gametes? 2 gametes, capital T, small t. Here it is only small t. So when these two gamete fuses, we will be getting capital T, small t, and here small t, small t. So what is the ratio I will get? 1:1. 50% plants are of tall and other 50% are of dwarf. So after a test cross, if all plants are same type, that is all plants are of tall, it is a homozygous. But after test cross, when I get 1:1 ratio, the unknown plant is of a heterozygous. That is the significance of test cross. To find out the unknown genotype, here the word genotype represent, we want to know whether homozygous or heterozygous. Thank you, children.